Google just loaded 5 new free tools into Google Labs. And if you run a service business, what they built here is genuinely worth stopping to understand. Product photography, browser-powered research, slide creation, precision editing, AI-driven design problem solving. Everyone is free. Everyone is billable. I am going to walk you through all 5. These are the income angles most people completely miss. Hey, I am Paul James. Welcome back to the channel. I help freelancers and solo operators build lean service businesses using free and low-cost AI. No expensive software stacks, no big budgets, just leverage. I know what it is like to have almost nothing to compete with. I was living in my brother's garage back then. I was trying to build a business with almost nothing. No software budget, no industry connections, no runway. These tools would have changed everything for me in those days. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. Here is the core problem this update addresses. Most small business owners are paying separate monthly fees for content work. One subscription for product photos, one for design, one for slide building, one for outreach automation. None of them are fully used, and all of them are recurring. Google just made the entire stack optional. That is the shift, and most of your competition has not woken up to it yet. I want to give you a mental model for approaching all 5 tools at once. I am calling it the Billable Stack Compression. The concept works like this. You take every service your client is paying someone else to produce. You compress that deliverable into a single free Google tool. You charge the same rate you always did. Your overhead drops to nothing. The gap between your cost and your revenue is all margin. That margin compounds every month you run this way. Let me walk you through each layer one at a time. The first tool is Pimelli. Head over to labs.google and open the full tool directory. Scroll to the Create category and you will find it there. Pimelli is Google's product photography generator, and it is completely free to use. The workflow is simple. You take one clean photo of whatever product your client sells. Drop it into Pimelli. Browse the template gallery or type a description of the exact shot you need. Pimelli renders that product inside a complete professional-grade visual environment. Clean lighting, styled backgrounds, holiday and seasonal variations when you need them for promotions. Here is where things get wild. You are not just using Pimelli to save yourself time. You are building an entire product content service around it. A freelancer working with e-commerce clients can now deliver a full photo campaign in a single afternoon. Multiple products, multiple setups, multiple seasonal options. The client receives polished, professional imagery. You produced it with a free tool. That is a margin advantage that gets stronger every single month you run it. The next piece of the Billable Stack Compression is Gemini 3.1 Pro running inside Chrome. Open Chrome and locate the Gemini panel in the upper right corner. Inside that panel is a drop-down for switching models. Switch to Gemini 3.1 Pro. What you now have is fundamentally different from a standard AI assistant. This version performs agentic tasks. It acts on your behalf inside the browser. Direct it to pull together a lead list for a specific local industry. Have it review your inbox and draft priority responses. Tell it to plan a full outreach campaign for a specific niche. It will build the messaging alongside it. Stay with me because this next piece is important. Gemini 3.1 Pro also learns from your browsing habits and professional context over time. Every session teaches it more about how you work and who you serve. For someone managing multiple client accounts at once, that adaptive context is a real structural advantage. You are not jumping between platforms. Everything operates from one browser window. The third layer is prompting. This one costs you nothing to improve. Here is where most operators leave serious quality on the table. A vague prompt produces a vague result, and they assume the tool is limited. Prompting is the actual skill. Name your audience clearly. State the desired format. Define the tone you need. Tell it what a strong output actually looks like. When you do that, the results shift dramatically. This holds for onboarding briefs and competitor analyses for new pitch meetings. It applies to content calendars built from client review data. Sharp input produces sharp output. That skill is free to develop, and it pays off on every single deliverable. Most people never realize this part. Your prompt quality is your competitive edge inside every one of these tools. The fourth layer is NotebookLM, and Google recently added something important to its slide building function. NotebookLM has been solid for turning raw notes or uploaded documents into presentation first drafts. What was slow was refining those drafts afterward. That friction is gone now. There is a targeted revision mode inside the slide editor. You highlight the exact slide or section that needs work. You describe the adjustment you want using plain language. NotebookLM updates only that piece of the deck. everything else holds. For a consultant delivering polished presentations to clients on retainer, that changes the entire revision workflow. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. I assumed precise control required expensive software. NotebookLM just eliminated that assumption entirely. The fifth layer is Stitch, and it now ships with a built-in capability called ID8. If web design or landing page work is part of what you offer, this matters. You bring a design problem into Stitch, capture whatever page is underperforming, and drop it in. Describe what is not working in plain conversational terms. Too cluttered, confusing hierarchy, weak call to action placement, ID8 generates several distinct visual solutions. Full mockups, different directions, displayed side by side so you can actually compare them. Pick the direction you want, build it out inside Stitch, export it straight into Figma for a clean client handoff. That is a complete client-ready deliverable, from broken screenshot to polished handoff inside one free tool. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is a scenario that shows what the Billable Stack Compression actually looks like in operation. A freelance marketing consultant onboards a new client who runs an independent supplement brand. She uses Pimelli to build a full month of product photography. 6 clean images from the client is all she needs. She runs competitor research through Gemini 3.1 Pro. She walks into her strategy call with a positioning brief already drafted. She builds the quarterly deck in NotebookLM. 2 slides get trimmed using revision mode in under 10 minutes. The deck goes out that evening. Then the client mentions their checkout page is losing buyers. She screenshots the page and drops it into Stitch. ID8 delivers 3 redesigned concepts before her follow-up call. That client sees a full agency at work. She ran the entire engagement on free tools from Google Labs. Here is the money picture. Pimelli handles product photography for clients who used to pay agencies for it. Gemini 3.1 Pro cuts research and outreach time down to almost nothing. Better prompting sharpens every deliverable you produce without touching your overhead. NotebookLM builds and revises presentations with no design subscription required. Stitch solves visual design problems and delivers directly into Figma. 5 billable services, 1 free connected workflow from Google. And the thing most people do not think about is how these 5 stack together. A client who needs product photos probably needs a slide deck too. A client who needs a slide deck probably has a website that is not converting. When you can handle all of it, you become the person they call for everything. That is how a solo operator starts to look and function like a full agency. The clients who need this work are not hard to reach. Product-based businesses need fresh imagery every month. Coaches and consultants need slide decks that look like they cost money. Local businesses need outreach help and research support. Any brand with a website needs someone to spot what is failing. Show them a better path and they will pay for it. Every one of those is a real paid engagement. Price it, deliver it, use the Billable Stack Compression to run the whole thing at 0 cost. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. Operators building this kind of workflow today are not just saving money on subscriptions. They are building a service structure that is nearly impossible to undercut. You are delivering at agency quality. Your overhead is 0. A competitor pricing below you is still paying monthly for tools. You are not. That structural advantage only gets stronger over time. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once the Billable Stack Compression becomes your normal. You are delivering faster. You are pricing on outcomes, not hours. Your costs stay near 0. The freelancers running Pimelli, NotebookLM, and Stitch right now are becoming the operator's clients call first. They are building faster, charging more, and doing it without a single monthly subscription holding them back. Gemini 3.1 Pro is part of that same workflow. The edge is real, and it is available to you right now. But if you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income